Hello and welcome back. In this session, we're going to talk about report charts. Now, there's a couple of these, so we're going to quickly go through them in these slides and then I'm going to show you how they look in Salesforce. But first of all, let's talk about the types we have. So we have bar charts. Bar charts show the value as horizontal lengths, so this is great for comparing distance or time. You would use a bar chart when you have a summary report with a single grouping, or you only want to display one grouping. Column charts are like bar charts, but it can be a better format for showing relative counts of things such as leads or currencies. Use a column chart when you have a summary report with a single grouping, or you want to display one grouping. Both bar charts and column charts are available in stacked versions, which can be used when you have multiple groupings and you're interested in the proportions between values in each grouping, as well as each grouping total. Then we have line charts. Line charts are great for showing the value of an item over a series of points in time, such as week to week or quarter to quarter. Use a line chart when you have one important grouping representing an ordered set of data and one value to show. Donut charts are great when you have multiple groupings and you want to show not only the proportion of a single value for each grouping, but also the total amount itself. Funnel charts are great for when you have multiple groupings in an ordered set and you want to show proportions amongst them. So for example, they're used a lot when we talk about opportunity pipelines. You can use scatter charts to show meaningful information using one or two groups of data plus summaries. So let's head into Salesforce and take a closer look. So here we are, and we're just carrying on from the report that we created earlier on. And I've already clicked the chart icon, so we've got the chart on here. And if I click the gear icon here, I can start switching between different types of charts. So we've got column chart, we can have a stacked bar chart as well, we can have a stacked column chart, we have line charts, we also have donut, we have funnel, and we also have scatter plot as well. So as you can see, there's quite a few different types of charts. When you add a chart, there's a couple of things you can do with it. You can give it a chart title. So for example, if I type in chart title there, you'll see that chart title appears up here as well. We could configure the y-axis, so we could choose whatever we want on that, whether that's account name, date, stage, etc. And then we could choose what we have on the x-axis as well. So this is really useful for you to know. When we start talking about stacked bar charts, for example, we can then start grouping them as well. So we can then start adding extra details on there. And again, that's really useful just to have a really visual representation of it. Now, one thing I am going to stress to you here is that you do need to know which charts work best for which scenario. So make sure you run through them, what the best reasons are to use them, and make sure you're prepared for your exam.